Hey, what we got here today is a Booz Corporation wrench, patented 1941. Pretty interesting little deal here. Bought these wrenches from a collector, so these are pretty much all cleaned up. See, the jaws are pretty rough shape, really rough shape there. This one might clean up a little bit. Let's just take it apart here and see how it works. So, kind of cool. Doesn't look like it was an expensive tool. This one might be fun to clean up though. So, but there it is, the Booz Tool Corporation. 1941 was when the patent was granted, so this is World War II era. Thanks for watching.